Hello guys, Thabiso here. I'm the host of Power Drive between 3 and 6 p.m. every Monday to Thursday on Power 987. We are giving away this fantastic car that I'm driving today. It's called the Renaultduster. This is part of the Renault SUV Power Family Challenge. It is a fantastic car, so hurry up if you haven't. Go to our website, power987.co.za. You'll get all the relevant details, and you must also book for a test drive. Beautiful, it's worth the money, user-friendly, very powerful, and the features are great.